Justice delayed is justice denied. This is one of the slogans that doctors are holding at several protest sites across the country, including this one at RML Hospital. I'll just show you the visuals from the ground zero as to what is transpiring in RML Hospital and all major government hospitals in the national capital. The junior doctors, senior doctors, on the other side, the nursing staff as well as the faculty members are on strike right now. These are the faculty members who are on protest with black bands in their hands as a sign of solidarity with the resident doctors who are on protest for the past 5 days. And what has agitated these doctors is also the attack on the RG Kar Hospital on Wednesday night, and that's when the FODA, which had called off the strike, announced that they are going to resume the strike all across the country. And the IMA also has announced that from tomorrow 6 a.m. all the healthcare facilities, including the OPD and selective surgeries, will not be done. The doctors' strike is going to bring the healthcare system on a standstill in a way, because they are demanding justice for what happened in the RG Kar Hospital, the kind of vandalism that happened in RG Kar Hospital, and along with that, a larger demand of Central Protection Act for the healthcare workers. The doctors, resident doctors out here, the junior doctors are wearing those black bands and protesting, raising those slogans, we want justice and we want CP, essentially meaning they are wanting Central Protection Act. Now this is, remember Sneha, a demand that has been there for nearly a decade now, around 2019 as well. I remember as to how the protest had intensified demanding this CPA, but in Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital right now, which is one of the most prominent government healthcare facility in the national capital, the doctors, junior doctors, senior doctors, the nursing staff, the faculty members, all are protesting, and the messaging is pretty clear. The protest will continue, the strike will continue. The Bengal government needs to respond to the questions that are being asked by the doctors of RG Kar Hospital who are on strike. Along with that, from the union government, there's a demand that is being made is that the Central Protection Act must be enforced by the central government, providing a complete safety net to the healthcare workers who are on who are working across the countries. What is the plan of action today? Because you're protesting out here, I understand there's a candle march planned for the evening at India Gate as well.
Till now, in the respect of Independence Day, we are just protesting inside the hospital. But as after the Independence Day, our plan is to connect more and more people with this campaign. Because this is not just a miss happening with a doctor. This is not just a miss happening with a doctor. It's a question of our national women's security. So more and more people should join us for the demand of justice to that girl that happens to in Kolkata. So today our plan is, first we'll start the protest here. Then we will went to the Nirman Bhavan. We'll do the protest there in front of the central government and the health ministry. After that, a candle march to the India Gate in evening.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.